Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an MMO. First, recognize the monumental undertaking involved. You'll need to assemble a large, highly skilled team, often numbering in the hundreds, covering everything from programming to art and design. Securing significant funding, typically tens of millions of dollars, is absolutely crucial for both initial development and ongoing operational costs. This foundational planning is the very first step on your journey. Next, focus on the technical backbone. You must develop a highly robust server architecture capable of handling thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, of concurrent players seamlessly. Implementing efficient networking code is paramount to ensure low-latency communication, providing a smooth experience across vast geographical distances. Furthermore, designing a scalable database is essential for managing persistent player data, world states, and all in-game items without performance bottlenecks. With the technical foundation in place, the next critical step is crafting compelling content and an engaging player experience. This involves creating a rich game world with deep lore and diverse environments. You'll need to design hundreds, if not thousands, of hours of content, including quests, items, and character progression systems. Additionally, implementing robust anti-cheat measures and effective moderation tools is vital to maintain a fair and enjoyable environment for everyone. Finally, making an MMO is an ongoing commitment. After launch, you must plan for continuous content updates and expansions to keep players engaged and attract new ones. Establishing a dedicated customer support team is crucial to assist players around the clock with any issues. Regularly monitoring server performance and actively listening to player feedback are essential to ensure a stable, enjoyable, and evolving game world for years to come. This continuous effort defines long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.